Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Infinite Knots. I'm super excited to share this video because I'm a beginner and I did this, guys. And also, I'll tell you how easily you can crochet a cute little butterfly like this. And for doing this project, I used an yellow and a green yarn and a 4 hook. You can choose your favorite colors. Yeah, so let's do it together. And first we are going to start with a slip knot, and there are multiple ways of doing this, and this is the method I chose because it felt very easy for me. So I'm pulling the second loop through the first one using a hook, and next I'm going to tighten this to my hook like this slowly. By pulling the shortened thread, you will tie the slip knot to the hook. Always do not completely tight your slip knot, because for doing the next stitch, if it is a bit loose, that will be easy. So next I'm going to do a yarn over and pull the thread through my slip knot like this. Chain stitch, and I'm going to do 6 chains like this slowly, and this is 5 and next is my 6. So I have completed my 6 chains here. Next I have to find the first chain, and my hook goes through the first chain that I did and pull over the long thread, and I have got 2 loops over here, and I'm going to pull the first loop through the second one. Yeah, that's it, guys. And here is a magic circle through which we are going to work on the project, and I'll turn this around slowly. And next I have to do double crochet throughout the magic circle. For that I'll do chain 3, 2 and next 3. Yeah, I have done my chain 3. Next, for the double crochet I have to yarn over first, and my hook goes through the magic circle completely, and then pull through the loop, and I have got a 3 loops over here. Again I am pulling through the thread through the first 2 loops, and then again yarn over and pull through the next 2. Yeah, so here my first double crochet is ready. Again we have to do one more double crochet. I'll show you again step by step how to do it. For that, first we have to do 2 chains, 1, 2, and then yarn over. I'll yarn over slowly, and my hook goes through the magic circle and then grabs the thread along and yarn over again, yarn over again, slowly pull through the first 2 loops, and then again yarn over, and then the thread goes to the next 2. So here I have done my 2 double crochet, 2 pairs. And next I'm going to do the same with the 2 pair of double crochet. For that I am doing 2 chain first, 1, 2, and then I'm going to yarn over, and my hook goes through my magic circle and then pull through and yarn over again slowly. I have 3 loops, okay, on my hook, and yarn over, and the thread goes through the first 2 loops, and then I have to yarn over again, and I'll pull through the first next 2 loops. Okay, guys, again I have to do one more double crochet, pull through, and then yarn over again, slowly pull through the first 2 loops, and then I'll yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. So I have got the next 2 pair of double crochet here. Here you can see 2 big spaces. As you can see here, I need 8 of them like that. So you can continue doing the pairs of double crochet until you get the 8 spaces. I'll be back by completing that process, guys. Take it slow. If you are a beginner, take it very slow. It's okay. In the beginning you will get confused. That's completely okay. So see you guys there. So here I am, guys. I have done this pairs of double crochet, and I have got 8 big spaces here, and this is 4, 5. You can see the spaces between the pairs of double crochet. I'm going to close the circle by doing chain 1 and chain 2. Do it slowly. Okay, chain 2. I have completed my chain 2. Then I'm going to find the third chain. So this is my first chain and second chain, and there goes my third chain. I'm going to put my hook through the third chain slowly like that, and I'm going to pull through my loop what I have on the hook like that. And this is going to be my center portion of the butterfly. And for wings I have used yellow yarn. You can use any of the colors your favorite, and I'll be working with this. And I'll find my double crochet, pair of double crochet, and to the center I'm going to take this yellow yarn. For that I'll make a loop, and my hook goes center of the double crochet to the center, and I'll pull the yellow yarn between the pair of the double crochet slowly, and then I'll make a simple knot which is very tight, and the knot should be bit tight, and then I'll put my hook through the center of the double crochet pair. So the small space, I'll stick my hook through and take a loop and then yarn over, and I'll pull through. Yeah, here. Next I'm doing a double crochet. For that, first what I have to do, I'll yarn over, and through the big space I will pull through my thread, and I have 3 knots or 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So I have done my first double crochet. Like this I have to continue doing 6 double crochet through the same big space. So yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, and then the last 2 loops. So second one is ready here, and for the third one, yarn over and pull through, and then and my third double crochet is ready here. Again 3 more, complete the other 3 double crochet and see you back. As always, take it slow, it's okay. So here I have completed my 6 double crochet on the one big space. So next what I am going to do, I am going to put my hook through the smaller space between the 2 pair of double crochet and take a loop, and the first loop go to the second one on the hook. So like this, it's okay, it goes out of the hook. Yeah, I have pulled through that, and then I am going to continue my double crochet through the big space. So first I have to yarn over, and then my hook goes through the big space and pull through, yarn over, pull through to the first 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through to the last 2 loops. I'll show you all the 6 double crochet how am I doing. And next what we will do, I'm going to yarn over and put my hook through that, and then again yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. If it's too tight it will be hard, so yeah, I have pulled through, then yarn over, again it goes to the last 2 loops. So second one is completed here. Next we go for the third one. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops, again yarn over, first 2 loops, again yarn over, and the last 2 loops. So my thread goes to the last 2 loops like this. Yeah, again for the next 3, start yarn over, go through the circle and pull through, and to the first 2 loops you pull through again your thread, and then yarn over and pull through to the last 2 loops. So this continues, guys. So 4 is prepared, and then next 2 more double crochet. So we are doing the same stitch, that is a double crochet. So few stitches in the beginning when you are doing, it will be little confusing, so take it slowly. The main thing what you will miss it in the double crochet is after completing one stitch you will forget to do a yarn over in the beginning. So don't miss that, guys. First you have to yarn over and then do it. So I have completed my 6 double crochet. Again I am going to do it to the all bigger spaces. So I'll complete the next and see you soon. And third one is ready, and then fourth, and then the sixth. So last one we are going to do it. So same process, guys. And here we will complete our 6 double crochet on the last bigger space. So I have just speeded up the video because this was the same process that we were doing. I don't want you guys to get bored. So now we'll be completing the 6 double crochet on the last piece. Yeah, we have completed, guys. Next what I'm going to do is I'll take the hook, and we have the pair of double crochet, and through the center I'm sticking my hook and I'm taking a loop like that, and of the first loop, I am going to take it to the second one. Here I am taking it to the second loop. So I have a loop now. I am going to do a chain stitch, one chain stitch, and then I will take this to 8. So continuously I am going to do 8 stitches. 8 to 9 stitches you can do it. So slowly you can do 8 stitch. And here goes the 8 stitches. So next I am going to fold my work into 2. So now it's a bit of flower shape. I'm going to fold it like this. So I got a cute little butterfly. See, I got a cute little butterfly now. So just to add up a little, I'm going to wrap up the chain through the center portion. So it will act like a body for the butterfly. So I'll fold it using my hook bit tightly. Yeah, that's enough. I'm folding it bit tightly, and I'll tighten my loop on the hook a bit so it will be a bit easy to work. I'll tighten it, and then here comes the first chain of my 8 chains. I will stick my hook through the first chain, and then now I have 2 loops on my hook, as you can see, and I'm going to pull through the first loop through the second one. So I'm going to pull through the first one to the second. Yeah, got it. Now I have one loop, and using my yarn I'm going to crochet further. So that's it, guys. I'm going to start yarn over and pull through, and then now I'm going to pull the loop a bit, not too long, a bit. So next I'm going to cut the long thread. So I have got 2 here, and I'm going to trim that. So the cute little butterfly is ready, and we can add on 2 little antennas over the head. For that I'll take the same color green, and I'll make a loop, and I'll use the hook and join to the butterfly. So this is the 8th chain that I wrapped to the center of the butterfly, and we will find 2 chains, gap of 2 chains, and I will put my hook through that chain. It is a bit hard part, but try doing that and get your hook through the chain, and I'll keep my loop to the hook, and I'm going to pull through the chain, 2 chains. I'm going to pull through, and then I'm going to take it out, the loop. The loop should not be taken completely out. You have to stop it in the half. And what I'm going to do is that loop, through the center of the loop, I'm going to take out the two pieces of the yarn, and like this it goes. Now my antenna is ready, and as per your wish, you can make it longer, you can make it shorter. So I'll make it a bit short. I will trim the balance portion, and this much will be enough for me. So I'm going to trim till that area. Cute little butterfly is ready here. A very beginner friendly, just a few basic stitches that you have to know so you can complete this project. So for getting more videos like this, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Also please comment down what are the next crochet project that I should do in my upcoming videos. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.